Vallavan, the VCK is an interesting party because what we've seen in Tamil Nadu also is the strengthening of caste-based parties. You've got the PMK, which is an ally of the AIDMK with its one-year vote bank, and you are seen to have your Dalit vote bank. But are you saying that you will, unlike in the north, where a BSP can aspire for power on its own because of a much larger Dalit population, in Tamil Nadu, you have no option but to tie up with one of the two major Dravida parties. How do you see the role of parties like VCK? Are you basically just parties which want a small share of power?
First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks for giving this opportunity. I'm sorry for the little delay. You all know very well that this is election time. Everyone is very busy in election works. VCK is an inevitable political force in Tamil Nadu. We are not for caste, we are anti-caste. Annihilation of caste is our main motto. We are not provoking caste sentiments or religious sentiments. We are working on the basis of Dr. Ambedkar ideology and Periyarism. So we are for social justice. We are not bothering about the electoral politics, but we are bothering about social justice.
But social justice through vote bank politics?
Yeah, that is very important. Here, VCK has very important role to organize all democratic forces, not only Dalits, all democratic forces. So we are working together with DMK, Congress and left parties. This election is war between secularism and communalism. So we are against communalism. BJP is targeting Tamil Nadu to develop their party here with absence of Dr. Kalaignar and Jayalalitha. But definitely I can say they can't get a single seat in forthcoming elections because Tamil Nadu people are very keen about social justice. They know very well about BJP communal politics. So Tamil Nadu people will never allow communal politics in Peninsular, not only in Tamil Nadu.
So your
definitely the Tamil Nadu election will give education, will teach to the communal forces. They will not enter into the Tamil Nadu assembly.
Is your attack on communalism?
Yeah.
Or is your attack about preserving Dravidian culture and identity versus what you see as a North Indian party? Because you have been also identified with strong assertive Tamil politics. Right?
Yeah. Dravidian politics is nothing but social justice. That is the main core point of the Dravidian politics is social justice. So we are working with the DMK and left parties, even with the Congress. Congress is having their own vote bank, very strong vote bank in Tamil Nadu, not only all over the country, among Dalits and minorities. That is very important. Congress vote bank, very important point that Dalits and minorities are voting for Congress only all over the country. Because BJP's
but that's not
communal
true.
politics is very dangerous.
But that's the difference, isn't it, Mr. Thiruvannamalavavan? Because if you look at North India, the BJP has grown among Dalit groups itself. I mean, let's be clear. The BJP's growth in North India could not have taken place without a substantial, sizable support from the Dalit community.
Only because
so how is Tamil Nadu different?
Only because of scattering of non-communal vote bank. Congress, left parties, on all other regional political parties which is against BJP.
So you
So
want
we have to consolidate all
So you're
non-BJP
consolidating
parties.
that. You're consolidating that in Tamil Nadu. Karti Chidambaram, is
Definitely, Tamil Nadu is an example. We are only the state to consolidate all democratic forces against BJP and communal politics.
who is the target in this election for you? Is it the BJP or is it the AIDMK? I mean, as I come back to it, is the battle between DMK and AIDMK or is this Congress?
There is no
hoping-
between ADMK and BJP. The initial for ADMK is BJP. Like Thol Tirumavalavan.
You're saying AIDMK is a proxy for the BJP?
Yeah, definitely. B team of BJP.
Let-
They have no their
Yeah.
own identity.
Yeah, just-
They lost everything.
Okay, I'll let you respond in a moment.
ADMK diluted completely.
Okay, that's an